Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. YouTube Recap 2025 is designed to give you a personalized look at your watching habits, your watched creators, favorite categories, and total watch time throughout the year. However, many users are frustrated because the recap simply doesn't show up. If you're facing the same issue, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain why YouTube Recap 25 may not be appearing and how you can fix it step by step. First, make sure your YouTube app is fully updated. An outdated app is one of the most common reasons the recap doesn't appear. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and update it if an update is available. YouTube often releases recap features through newer app versions, so running the latest version is essential. Next, check whether your watch history is turned on. YouTube Recap relies entirely on your viewing history. If watch history was paused for most of the year, YouTube won't have enough data to generate your recap. To check this, open YouTube, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then History and Privacy, and make sure Watch History is enabled. Another important factor is your account activity. YouTube Recap is usually available only for accounts that have been actively watching videos throughout the year. If your usage was very limited or inconsistent, the recap may not appear at all. In this case, there is unfortunately no manual way to force YouTube to generate it. You should also try clearing the app cache if you're using an Android device. Go to your phone's settings, open apps, select YouTube, tap storage, and clear the cache. This can fix glitches that prevent the recap banner from loading properly. On iPhone, simply deleting and reinstalling the app can achieve the same result. Sometimes the recap doesn't show because YouTube rolls it out gradually by region and account type. This means some users get access earlier than others. If everything on your account is set correctly, patience may be the only solution. Keep checking the YouTube home screen or the notifications tab over the next few days. Lastly, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Many users switch between multiple accounts without realizing it. YouTube Recap will only appear on the account you actively used throughout the year. In conclusion, updating the app, enabling watch history, staying signed into the correct account, and waiting for the rollout usually solves the issue. If your YouTube Recap 2025 still doesn't show up, it's likely due to limited viewing activity or regional availability. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if your recap finally appeared. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.